basic of communication system. So what is communication system? First of all, let me explain this. What is communication system? What are the basic blocks of communication system? So whenever I talked about communication, communication means whenever two people are talking to each other, there are two persons A and B, and they want to talk to each other. So how this what is the basic building block of communication system means how it is comprises of. So communication system comprises of three things. If I talked about the block diagram, there is a transmitter, uh, trans, transmitter. Then there is a what we call it media or medium. So there is a medium and there is a receiver. So these are the transmitter. Generally we write it like this, receiver we write it like this. So there are three things. One is transmitter, another is medium, another is receiver. Now this medium is categorized into two parts. One is guided, another one is unguided. So as the name suggested, guided means wired, means it is wired, and unguided means wireless. Now what is wired? If I am talking about wired, it means there may be some copper wire, there may be coaxial wire, or there may be some any sort of wires. Means there is a physical connect. That is what we call physical connect that you can see with your eyes. That is what we call guided media. And unguided media means wireless. There are several protocols here also, like Wi-Fi, WiMAX, Zigbee, Bluetooth, and many more. So 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 basically the communication block diagram, the basic communication system comprises of three things. One is transmitter, one is what we call transmitter, and the purpose of the transmitter is to send message. It is used for sending messages. And then there is a medium. I told you there are two types of mediums. One is what we call guided medium, another is unguided medium. So guided medium is something which has a physical link. Unguided means there is no physical link, but obviously they are connected with certain sort of, this is what we call protocols. Certain protocols are used to connect them, right? So no physical connection, but there is a, this is what we call protocols. And guided, there are wired, means either copper, coaxial, platinum, any kind sort of wire, but there must be a physical connect. So this is what we call medium. And the third thing that is responsible is what we call receiver. This is what we call receiver, that is used to receive messages. This is for receiving a message. So any communication has been done with these three main blocks. So these are this is, if I talked about this whole diagram, this whole diagram. So this whole diagram is basically basic block diagram for communication system. So this is okay, right? Now let me talk about one thing more. What are the various types of communication? What are the various types of communication? So if we are talking about the various types, so there are three main types. One is what we call simplex, one is what we call half duplex, and the last one is duplex. So what are these simplex, half duplex, and the full duplex, or that is what we call full duplex also? Let me elaborate this. See, before going to, okay, let me explain this first. Simplex is what it is kind of a single one way communication. one-way communication. One-way communication means there is a like FM transmitter you have, and that is only transmit the signals, and you are the audience is here. There are several audience. These are called audience. So this is one-way communication. Only one can speak, and you can't able to give the answer. That is what we call simplex. Simplex is in simplex you may say there is a transmitter, there are several receiver, but only transmitter can there is one way communication, only one can speak, not other. Another type of the communication is half duplex. Half duplex, it's a kind of communication where it is what we called one at a time. One at a time communication. So what it means, one at a time communication means what? Means one man is speaking at a time and another is listening, like walkie-talkie. If you know about walkie-talkie, walkie-talkie is an instrument where one person can speak only one at a time, and once he or she talked about completed his talk, then the another one get a chance to speak up. So this is what we call half duplex. And third one, which is the major one, what we call full duplex. Full duplex, both both the transmitter and the receiver can speak at a time. Both and transmitter and receiver can speak at a time, like your mobile nowadays telephone. We can speak together. Both transmitter and receiver can speak together. So this is the various types of communication. I think everybody understand simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Now one very important question is from my side. What is broadcasting? You heard the name of broadcasting, multicasting, and yeah, what is the difference between broadcasting and multicasting? Can anybody from you explain this? What is the difference between broadcasting and multitasking? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Multitasking and broadcasting. Okay, Tulsi, please. Tulsi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is broadcasting? What is multicasting?
So broadcasting means basically from one source to all possible destinations, and multicasting from one source to multiple destinations, starting an interest in receiving the traffic.
Can you give an example of broadcasting?
Examples.
Okay, my lecture is right away. My lecture is broadcasting or multicasting?
Sir, multicasting.
Multicasting. Why?
Multitasking.
Multicasting, sir, because it is being casted to select multiple people, not
Yes, sir,
every single
multicasting.
person possible.
Very good, very good. So very important difference between these two terms is broadcasting means for all. Like in a TV, in the television, the channel is broadcasting. In FM, the FM is broadcasting. But multicasting is like WhatsApp. You are in WhatsApp. If you are messaging someone, so you message many peoples, but they all are known to you. So that is what we call multicasting. Means here the audience is known to the the sender. But
Sir, it will go to the connected peoples.
yeah. You may say it like that. So I think everybody understand this thing. Let me stop recording over here.